along with the frequency. But in DC there is no frequency. So DC consists of only voltage. 220 volt DC. Just magnitude alone given. But in AC is represented by voltage, frequency and phase. Okay. In this AC voltage, that is AC wire, can be connected in 3-phase AC supply. 3 is a single phase, only 2 phase. There is no, it's okay. But if suppose AC supply has 3 phase, we can have 3-phase AC supply. எங்கள் வீட்டில் 3 phase சொன்னாலும் எங்களுக்கு எப்பவுமே கரண்ட் போகாது, கரண்ட் வந்து நல்ல பிரைட்டாக இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு சிங்கிள் phase, அதனால் லோ பவரில் வந்து அங்கே வந்து என்ன டிம்மாக இருக்குது. கேட்குறீங்களா இல்லையா? அங்கே சிங்கிள் phase, நாங்கள் 3 phase வச்சுருக்கோம். ஸோ நார்மலி 3 phase is nothing but single, that is 1 phase and 1 neutral. Phase and neutral இதுதான் ஒரு phase. சரியா? அப்போ R, 1, Y and B. This is connected with neutral. So when you measure R along with N, that is considered one phase. Y along with N, another phase. B along with N, another phase. So this is 3 phase. Suppose if you measure R and Y, that is called as phase voltage. Phase voltage எப்படினா VRN. R B Y N. V B N. This is called as phase voltage. One phase that is with neutral, that is phase voltage. இதே வந்து line voltage அப்படினா the voltage which is measured between any two line. If you measure the voltage between R and Y, this R Y V R Y V Y B V B R V R Y. Otherwise measure between B Y and B, otherwise between B and R, whatever it is. This is called as line voltage. When you measure the voltage between any one line with neutral, that is called as phase voltage. So here the 3-phase, this 3-phase supply is connected in 2 different ways. Either it can be connected in star connection or in delta connection. Star connection means star, star. So this is star connection. Delta connection means this is delta connection. So if the resistor, 3 phase, there are 3 resistors connected in like this way. This is star connection. And here delta connection. Okay, wow. So here this is, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Similarly A, B, C. So here one point, all the resistors connected in one point in star connection, that is called as neutral point. Okay, wow. So VAN is called as one phase, VDN another phase, VCN another phase. So 3 phases are there. But here only 3 lines are there. There is no neutral point. Neutral point there is no neutral point in delta connection. So how do we convert star voltage, that is the star value resistance, into delta value resistance, and delta transfer delta from star? How do we convert star to delta and delta to star? That is your last topic of your syllabus. In your syllabus, the first topic, review of current, electricity and basics Kirchhoff's law. Completed or not? Second topic, star delta transformation. Completed or not? No. Third topic, mesh analysis, nodal analysis, superposition theorem, Thevenin theorem, Norton theorem, maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, the only one topic is pending, star delta transformation. Okay, so here directly we are going to derive the source transformation technique. Actually, one topic is not, subtopic is not mentioned in your syllabus. So in source transformation means we are going to convert voltage source into current source, and we can convert current source into voltage source. How? When current source can be converted into voltage source? When current source, எப்போ convert பண்ணுவோம்? When current source converted into voltage source? When current source parallel with the resistance. So that can be converted into voltage source series with the resistance. In the same manner, when the voltage source series with the resistance, or voltage source resistance or series இருந்துச்சுனா, on that case we are going to convert that into current source parallel with the resistance. This is source transformation. The next thing, in case, so in case that is the voltage division technique and current division technique are used. ரெண்டு டெக்னிக் இருக்கு to find out the voltage and current. லாஸ்ட்ல ஒரு டாபிக் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். அது subdivision topic உங்களுக்கு மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். So in star delta transformation, derive the relationship between star and delta transformation. Take one question. That is relationship between star to delta transformation. Relationship between star to delta transformation. So first we are going to draw star network. This network transformed into delta. Okay, wow. This is A, B, C. A phase, B phase, C phase, and R1, R2, R3. This is right. Now only you hold on. A, B, C, R A, R B, R C. What is the relation? We are going to find star relationship. That is, what is RA? That is, we are going to write RA in terms of R1, R2, R3. Star to delta. Appo star delta matrana R1 is equal to what? R2 is equal to what? And R3 is equal to what? This into that. Appo the answer is, we need the answer in delta form, isn't it? Star to delta means we need the answer in delta form. So R1 is R1 in terms of RA, RB, RC, and R2, what is the formula? We are going to derive the formula. So first one, what is RA? Here RA, this is neutral point. Okay, RA. Here, this is RA. Similarly, you are going to consider the part RA, A, C, B. So that's why we are drawing A, C, B. Between, this is R3, R2, R1. Here, the resistance connected with A is RA, B is RB, and C is RC. Here, I give R1, R2, R3. Now, what is RA? RA means we are going to find the resistance at this point. So, on that case, these two resistors connected in series. Here, RA that is connected in series, and another resistance connected in parallel. So, here, how do you write this? RA is equal to R1, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, when you are writing about RB, you do it wrong. R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RB is equal to R2, R3 divided by multiply. Next we are going to find RAB, BC, AC. புரியுதா? என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? RAB, RBC and RAC. RAB is equal to, that is RA, RB. RA, RB. We are going to find then RB, RC, then RA, RC. What is RA, RB? RA, RB means R1, R2, R3 square by R1 plus R2 plus R3 the whole square, RAB. Then RBC, RB, RC. RB, RC is equal to R1, R2 square divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 the whole square. Similarly, RAC, RA, RC. RA, RC is equal to R1 squared R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 the whole square. This is equation number 4, equation number 5 and equation number 6. நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? We are going to find R1, R2, R3 இதெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். சரியா? இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? Just add any multilinear. Add all the three cases. RA, RB. Now we are going to add all the three. RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RA, RC. So when we are add all the three things, the numerator become R1, R2, R3 squared plus R1, R2 squared, R3 plus R1 squared, R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is equal to the common term. This is common term. R1, R2, R3. R1, R2, R3. Then the remaining term R3 plus R2 plus R1 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 the whole square. So this one and this one get cancelled, isn't it? The remaining thing, so that is equal to R1, R2, R3 R1, R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then when you take R1 is common, the remaining thing is R2, R3 by R1 plus R2, R3. அப்போ R1 common எடுத்துட்டோம்னா the remaining thing is R2, R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is equal to R1 into R2, R3 by R1 plus R2, R3 is RB. R1, RB is equal to RA plus RB plus RC. Sorry, RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RA, RC is equal to R1, RB. From this, what is R1? புரிஞ்சுதா இல்லையா? So this is equal to, that is RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RA, RC is equal to R1, RB. From this, what is R1? Multiplied by RB. So divided by RB. அப்ப இது என்ன ஆயிடும்? RB கீழே வந்துரும் இல்லையா? இந்த RB கீழே வந்துச்சுன்னா இது என்ன ஆயிடும்? RA plus RC plus RA, RC by RB. Am I right? இதே மாதிரி R2 வேணும். For R2 வேணும் அப்படின்னா இப்போ நம்ம எது காமன் எடுத்துருக்கோம்? R1 காமன் எடுத்துருக்கோம். இப்போ R2 காமன் எடுத்துருக்கோம். Then R1, RB easiest derivation. ஓகேவா?